Okay, so in this question we're going to try and multiply two recurring decimals together. So we need a little strategy to try and work this out, because we can't just multiply 0.3 by 0.2. That's just going to give us 0.6, which we know is not the answer. So what we need to try and do is try and solve each one first into a fraction. So 0.3 recurring, let's set our x equal to 0.3 recurring, and this one we'll set our y to 0.2 recurring. So they can be our two variables. Okay, so now let's try and solve this into a fraction. So multiply this by 10. So 10x will be 3.3 recurring. And now if we subtract this one, or subtract this one from this one, we'll be left with the whole number, which is just 3. So this subtracted from this, that will just leave us with 3. That's what we want. So now 10x minus x equals 3.3 recurring minus 0.3 recurring. So simplify that off, we're left with 9x equals 3. So therefore, solving for that, x equals 3 over 9, which equals 1/3. So that's our x. Same principle for our y. So if we get this recurring decimal onto the other side, so get that digit there, so we'll have 10y equals 2.2 recurring. And as we did here, we want this one and subtract this one. So that's 10y minus y equals this one minus this one. So that's just going to leave us with 9y equals 2. So y equals 2 over 9. So all we've got to do now is multiply the two numbers together. So x times y, which is the equivalent of this. So that's now just going to be 1/3 times 2/9. So now multiplying that across, 1 times 2 is 2, 3/9 is 27. And that's going to be our answer. 0.3 recurring times 0.2 recurring gives us 2/27. Okay, and that is our answer.